Curious about unlocking the power of 3D without breaking the bank? Let's explore if Luma AI offers a free ride. First, navigate to the Luma AI website. You can easily find it by searching Luma AI on Google or by typing Luma Labs directly into your browser. Look for the Sign Up or Get Started button, usually prominently displayed on the home page. Click on it to create a free account. You can typically sign up with your Google account or your email address. Once you're signed up and logged in, you'll have access to Luma AI's free tier. This free tier often includes the ability to capture nerfs, experiment with basic editing tools, and even share your creations with the Luma AI community. Now, while Luma AI offers a functional free tier, keep in mind that it usually comes with certain limitations. These might include restrictions on the number of captures you can make per month, limitations on processing power, or reduced access to advanced features. To unlock the full potential of Luma AI, you'll want to explore their subscription plans. These plans usually offer increased capture limits, faster processing times, access to premium features, and priority support. Click on the Pricing or Subscription tab to view the different tiers and their corresponding benefits. So, is Luma AI free? Yes. It offers a free tier with enough tools to get you started in the world of 3D creation. Consider a subscription if you need more power and features.